Part of the decolonization of curriculum is for us, students and lecturers, to learn and engage with people who have been dispossessed of, in his case, property in the past through forced removals.
Good morning, everybody. Like Professor Donaldson just said, he asked me to come and share my experience and feelings about the forced removal of our people from our homes in the area known as Die Vlakte during the height of apartheid, an act commissioned by the Group Areas Act. Let me introduce myself. I am Frederick Peter Pohlman, better known as Toff or Toffee. I am 76 years young and was born as the fifth son of the late William, they call him Polly, and Frida Pohlman, who resided at 98 Van Ryneveld Street. Die Vlakte was home to a cross-section of Stellenbosch community where race and creed never interfered with the daily lives of the people. I still see red when I reflect on my time in Die Vlakte. When we went to the voting polls to vote for the first time in 1994, and Nelson Mandela subsequently became the first black president, I believe that apartheid was dead. It is now almost 30 years later, and I now realize that apartheid is still alive and well, albeit in a different form. Although I have forgiven those who have perpetrated those injustices against us and inflicted those hardships on us, I cannot erase or forget the past.